Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are creating a clean circular outline using stroke path. Start by selecting the ellipse tool and draw a perfect circle. Then convert the circle into a work path by right clicking it. Now select the brush tool and choose a hard round brush. Also adjust spacing to make the circle stroke smooth. Switch to the pen tool and right click the path, then choose stroke path and select brush. The circle outline will appear instantly and smoothly, and also add gradient overlay for a colorful modern look. Apply drop shadow to lift the circle off the background. Duplicate the stroke for a thicker, more powerful design. Experiment with different brush sizes for creative style. This works great for logos.